Hi, Shaz here. Welcome to part 3 of the 4-part series on advanced English phrases native speakers actually use. So imagine this, you're watching an American movie and a character says, "That's a piece of cake," and you think, "What cake? There is no cake in this scene." Welcome to the world of idioms. These are phrases that don't make sense literally, but make perfect sense in context. And honestly, native speakers use them all the time. In this video, I'm going to teach you 25 idioms that will make you sound exactly like a native speaker. So, let's go. First one is break the ice. It means to make the first move in a social situation or to ease tension. For example, I asked her a funny question to break the ice, or he told a joke to break the ice before the presentation. This is used all the time socially. Next is hit the books. It means to study hard. I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight. Or stop playing video games and hit the books. This is a school and college phrase. Now the next is piece of cake. It means something that's very easy. For example, that test or exam was a piece of cake. Building a shelf, oh, that's a piece of cake. See, it's so commonly used. Next one is spill the beans. It means to tell a secret or reveal information. For example, come on, spill the beans. What happened? Don't spill the beans about the surprise party. See, it's informal and fun. Next is beat around the bush. It means to avoid talking about the main point. Now, for example, stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. Or, he kept beating around the bush instead of getting to the point. See, it's used when someone's being indirect. Next is under the weather. It means to feel sick or unwell. It can be used as I am feeling a bit under the weather today. She has been under the weather all week. See, it's super common for illness. Next is hit it off. It means to get along really well with someone immediately. For example, we hit it off immediately when we met. I think you and my sister will hit it off. It is used when people connect. Next is go south. It means for something to go wrong or get worse. For example, the project went south when we lost the client. Or everything was fine until things went south. It is a casual way to say things got worse. Next is a last resort. It means the final option when nothing else works. For example, I'll sell my car as a last resort. Or going to a lawyer should be your last resort. Now this is used in serious situations. Now the next one is be all ears. It means to be very interested in hearing something. For example, tell me what happened, I am all ears. Or go ahead, I am all ears. Now this is really commonly used. Now, the next one is go the extra mile. It means to do more than what's expected. She always goes the extra mile for her clients. Or I'm willing to go the extra mile on this project. Now this is super common in professional settings. Next one is take a rain check. It means to postpone something for another time. For example, I can't make dinner tonight, but can we take a rain check? Let's take a rain check on that coffee date. It is mostly used in social situations. Next is cut to the chase. It means to get to the point, the main point, without unnecessary details. For example, let's cut to the chase. What do you actually want? Or cut to the chase and tell me the price. See, it's super commonly used in businesses. Next one is cut someone slack. It means to be more forgiving or lenient with someone. For example, give him some slack, he's new. Or cut me some slack, I'm doing my best. It is like asking for understanding. The next one is the ball is in your court. It means it's now someone else's responsibility or turn. For example, I have done everything I can. Now the ball's in your court. Or the decision is yours. The ball's in your court. It's mostly used in business and sports. Now the next one is a bad hair day. Well, it means a day when everything goes wrong or you feel off. I'm having a bad hair day. Everything is going wrong. Or don't mind me, I'm just having a bad hair day. It is super casual. Now the next is give someone the cold shoulder. It means to ignore someone or treat them unfriendly. For example, she's been giving me the cold shoulder since our argument. Or don't give him the cold shoulder, try to be nice. It's mostly relationship based. Next one is feel under the weather. It means to feel slightly sick or unwell. I'm feeling under the weather, so I might go home early. Or she felt under the weather after eating that food. This is common for mild illness. Next is call it a day. It means to stop working and finish for the day. For example, it's getting late. Let's call it a day. We have been working for 8 hours. Time to call it a day. It's mostly used in workplace and it's casual. Next is cracking up. It means to laugh uncontrollably or to do something. It means to laugh uncontrollably or for something to break down. For example, she's always cracking up with her jokes. The car is cracking up and needs repairs. It is hilarious in situations. Now, let's talk about some advanced idioms and expressions. So the first one is caught between a rock and a hard place. It means in a difficult situation with no good choices. For example, I am caught between a rock and a hard place with this decision. He was caught between a rock and a hard place at work. See, this is used in tricky situations. Next is get your ducks in a row. It means to organize and prepare yourself. For example, it can be used as before you start the project, get your ducks in a row. Or it can be used as I need to get my ducks in a row before the meeting. It is an organizational phrase. Next is not my cup of tea. It means something that's not your preference or interest. For example, horror movies aren't my cup of tea. Dancing isn't my cup of tea, but I will try. It's mostly a personal preference. Now the next one is strike while the iron is hot. It means to take advantage of an opportunity while it's available. He got a job offer. He should strike when the iron is hot and accept. If you want to learn English, strike while the iron is hot. Mostly used in seizing opportunities. Next is open a can of worms. It means to create or reveal a complicated problem. For example, bringing up that topic will open a can of worms. Or be careful, this situation might open a can of worms. It is mostly used in problems and complications. That's part 3. Part 4 is coming next. We are diving into the most advanced material, conversational expressions and transitions that make native speakers sound smooth and sophisticated. So, like, subscribe, and share this with someone learning English. And I'll see you in the final part. Stay awesome. Shaz signing off. Bye bye.